we're gonna be doing. What the heck? What kind of creative? Okay, Ronan. Ronan. Why do you leave? There, can you just join back? Technical difficulty, guys. Never. No, why is it creative? Okay, Ronan, ready up. Hell yeah. What? No. It's a bore. Everybody's working all the time. It's a chore. No one understands what I know. That's just where I'll never be able to see it.
We don't have much time.
Why is it still playing? Ronan, what's behind you on your TV? What's on your TV right now? Is that what
No, nothing's on my TV.
What's that? No, what's that man? On your TV. What's it?
Don't look at the TV. It's not here.
I don't see it. And the floor is lava! No, we have to get a lot of materials really quickly.
Huh?
We have to find a lot of materials. I know where I'm gonna land. If it's still here. Is it? I don't even know if it's still there.
Make the marker.
I don't. Let me find the location first. Oh, I see it. One's the floor. Where? You know why I picked this location? Because there's a lot of maps here, but nobody lands here. We have to survive. Every second we get more maps. Did you know that? Every second we get more maps. Oh, I found a rift fish. I don't even think. Oh, this is probably just for the game. Launch pad? No, get a launch. Try and find a launch pad. Don't. I'm not gonna. No, we have to start building up. Ronan, follow me. Ronan, come on, build up with me. No, Ronan, what are you doing? Don't waste your mats. Ronan. Ronan, don't. Just come up. Good. good. We already started building up because of lava. We have to be high. Soon we're not going to be high up. And like maybe in a couple hours. No, not even an hour.
Let me start building.
No, I'm going to start building. Okay, I'm out of mats. Ronan, give me all of your mats. No, Ronan, drop all your mats.
Ow.
What?
Ow.
Just drop it. Thank you. Thank you. Did you know you were... It's not a drum gun. I'm building up. You don't build up till I... No, Ronan, don't build up. I'm going to build up. We're already at max height. Yeah. But look at the island. Come on, get down here. I'm gonna. No, Ronan, what are you doing? No, we don't. No, what are you? But look at the. No, look at the water. Look at the map. Look at the map. Yeah. No, I'm actually okay if I fall. But you're dead.
What?
I'm actually okay if I fall. What? Show me. Oh, cool. I'm a rift fish. Yeah, I know. Cool. You have a jetpack. Look at the floor. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Look at the water. Look at no. Oh, we gotta go. Storm. Run. Okay, I'm dead. I just left.
Did you leave?
Yeah, because I died. I'll see you. You know, I'm just gonna go back. Guys, we're here. We're gonna go back. No, we should wait. No, Ronan, just glide. We have to wait. No, we should just land there. Look at coral. I want to see coral cat. You can't. There's no such thing as coral castle anymore. If there's an If there's anything that's like underground. Oh, look at dirty docks. I just realized that by half of dirty docks is flooded with lava. And we're landing right next to dirty docks. I'm so nervous about this match.
Did somebody snipe someone?
No scope. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna land there. I think this is my skin for life. I like the skin.
Why are you gonna wear a girl skin for the rest of your life?
Dude, it looks cool. Dude, doesn't it look cool with glider? Should I go?
I don't actually like this skin. I'm just wearing it because I just got it like 5 seconds ago. I literally got it like 20 minutes ago, so that's why I'm wearing it. Oh, I already have a lot of mats. I'm gonna try and get full stack. Rona, if you find a jetpack, it's mine. Ooh, launch pad, launch pad. Well, I know what I'm gonna do. Pick that up. We're running. Well, I know what I'm gonna do. Come on, Ron. We should start building. No, materials go into your map in your inventory, Ron, so you're fine. Come on, no, Ronan, just hop on. I'm starting building. Ronan, you gotta get up there! Quick! The lava's coming! The lava's rising! Yeah.